Hello, hi everyone. I am your Burchisal. Now I am going to teach you the third part of the second lesson, There's a Girl by the Tracks by Devan Khanal. Dear students, the third part begins with the paragraph number 10. Innumerable motorists drove by, some even slowing down to see the young man struggling to hold the blood covered woman in his arms. Just when he had begun to lose hope, a tempo truck pulled over, and its driver, a middle aged man who spoke Gujarati, stepped out. Dear students, innumerable motorists drove by. Here, the word innumerable. Innumerable, you know that it's the opposite of numerable. Numerable Numerable. Numerable opposite word is innumerable. Numerable means ಎನಿಸಲು ಸಾಧ್ಯವಿರುವ. Innumerable means ಎನಿಸಲಾರದಷ್ಟು, ಎನಿಸಲಾಗದಷ್ಟು. Motorists MOTOR ಮೌಟರ್ ವಾಹನ. ವಾಹನಗಳನ್ನು ಚಲಿಸುವಂಥ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗಳಿಗೆ we call motorists. Motorists means, you know it, drivers. Drivers, or sometimes you can also call chauffeurs. CHAUFFEUR, chauffeur. Chauffeur. Drivers, chauffeurs, and motorists will give us the same meaning. ವಾಹನ ಚಾಲಕರು, motorists, drivers, and chauffeurs are all the words which give us the same meaning. Dear students, you know it. Innumerable motorists drove by. See the word. Drove by is the past form of drive by. Do you know? Drive by. DRIVE. Drive by means ಚಲಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗು. Like pass by. Pass by means ಹಾಯ್ದು ಹೋಗು. Like that, drive by ವಾಹನಗಳನ್ನು ಚಲಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗು. Drives by, it's yes form, you know it. Drives by. ING form, do you know? Driving by. And past form, drove by. And I hope you can guess the past participle form of this verb. What is that? Driven by. Okay. Drive by means ವಾಹನಗಳನ್ನು ಚಲಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗು. Innumerable motorists drove by. It means ಅಸಂಖ್ಯಾತ ವಾಹನ ಚಾಲಕರು ತಮ್ಮ ವಾಹನಗಳನ್ನು ಚಲಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಹೋದರು. Some even slowing down. Some ಕೆಲವರು even slowing down to see the young man struggling to hold the blood-covered woman in his arms. Some means some drivers even slowed down. Why? To see the young man struggling to hold the blood-covered woman in his arms. Please remember, slow down is a verb. Slow down. What's the meaning of slow down? Slow down means ನಿಧಾನಗೊಳಿಸು. Slows down. Slowing down. Okay. And past form, can you guess? Slowed down. and past participle form, again it remains the same, slowed down. Okay, some drivers even slowed down. It means even. Even means saha. It's used to express something unusual or surprising. Even is used to express something unusual or surprising. Please remember, even means saha or kuda. Some drivers even slowed down. I mean slowing down. Why? To see. You know that to see is an infinitive. To see what the young man struggling to hold the blood covered woman in his arms. Who was this young man? Please remember, this young man was none other than Baleshwar Mishra. Baleshwar Mishra. Please remember, this young man, it's his real photo. I collected it. He is the Baleshwar Mishra. Some even slowing down to see. To see means nodlike ಏನನ್ನ. The young man, what was he doing? He was struggling. For what? To hold the blood covered woman in his arms. Please remember, see means nodu. To see means nodalu. This is infinitive. See, yes form is sees, and ing form is seeing. Past form saw, and past participle form is seen. It's clear. Okay. Some even slowing down to see the young man. What was he doing? He was struggling. Struggling. STRUGGLE. Struggle means horadu. It can be used as a noun and as a verb. Okay. Struggle as a noun, it means horata. Okay. For example, many youths took part in freedom struggle. Many youths took part in where? Freedom struggle. Freedom struggle. Okay, please remember. Many youths took part in freedom struggle. Here, the word struggle is used as a noun in the sentence. Okay, and as a verb. They struggle to take the they struggle to take the girl to a hospital. Here struggle means ಹೋರಾಡು. ಅವರು ಹುಡುಗಿಯನ್ನು ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆಗೆ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಲು ಹೋರಾಡುತ್ತಾರೆ. Clear? I hope this point is clear. Innumerable motorists drove by, some even slowing down to see the young man struggling to hold the blood-covered woman in his arms. Even hold is a verb. Please remember. What's meant by hold? Hold means hidiyu. Hold. Do you know its yes form? Holds. And ing form is holding. And past form is held. And past participle form is held. Okay, hold, holds, holding, held, held. Please remember, some he was trying to hold the blood covered woman in his arms. Who was trying to hold the blood covered woman in his arms? Baleshwar Mishra. Here, the word blood covered. Here, the word blood covered woman. Blood covered is used as an adjective in the sentence. Blood covered. Okay, noun plus past participle form is used and it's used before noun. Got it? So we can say this is an adjective in the sentence. He was trying hard to hold the blood covered woman in his arms. ತನ್ನ ತೋಳುಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ರಕ್ತದಿಂದ ತೊಯ್ದು ಹೋಗಿರುವಂಥ ಮಹಿಳೆಯನ್ನು ಹಿಡಿದುಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆತ ಹರಸಾಹಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ. ಅದನ್ನು ನೋಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಕೆಲವು ವಾಹನ ಚಾಲಕರು ತಮ್ಮ ವಾಹನಗಳನ್ನು ನಿಧಾನ ಮಾಡಿಯೂ ಕೂಡ ನೋಡಿದರು. ಬಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ಡ್? They did not stop. They didn't come forward to help Baleshwar. Then what did he do? Just when he had begun to lose hope, a tempo truck pulled over and its driver, a middle-aged man who spoke Gujarati, stepped out. Just when he had begun to lose hope, see, here you come across two words. What are they? Just when he began. Began original form is begin. Do you know its yes form? Begins. Ing form is beginning. Past form, can you guess? Began. Past participle form is began. Okay? Begin means ಆರಂಭಿಸು, ಪ್ರಾರಂಭಿಸು. Just when he began to lose hope. See, lose means ಕಳೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳು, ಸೋಲು. Okay? And its yes form is loses. Ing form, can you guess? Losing. And past participle form is lost. And past form is lost. And past participle form is lost. Please remember. Just when he had begun to lose hope, ಆತ ತನ್ನ ಆಶೆಯನ್ನು ಕಳೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದಂತೆ, he thought nobody would stop their vehicle to help him take that lady to hospital. When he was thinking so, what happened? A tempo truck pulled over. A tempo truck like this pulled over. Pull over means, please remember, stop. A tempo truck pulled over. Pullover. Pull over means, please don't forget, stop. Pulls over, pulling over, pulled over. A tempo truck pulled over. ಒಂದು ಟೆಂಪೋ ಟ್ರಕ್ ನಿಂತಿತು. And its driver, the driver of this tempo truck, he was a middle-aged man. Again, you can think of the word middle-aged is used as an adjective, used before a noun, man. Okay? A middle-aged man. Who was a middle-aged man? The driver of this tempo truck. And who spoke Gujarati? What language he was speaking? He was speaking Gujarati language. Yes, he stepped out. ಹೊರಗಿಳಿದ. Step out means ಹೊರಗಿಳಿ. Please remember. Speak, ಮಾತನಾಡು. He was speaking Gujarati language and stepped out. Step out means ಹೊರಗಿಳಿ. Step in. Step in means ಒಳಗಿಳಿ. Step down means ಕೆಳಗಿಳಿ. Okay, step out means ಹೊರಗಿಳಿ. Step in means ಒಳಗಿಳಿ. Step down means ಕೆಳಗಿಳಿ. The middle-aged man, the driver of the tempo truck, stepped out and he was speaking Gujarati language. Okay, please remember. Now we can understand who came forward to help Baleshwar Mishra take the lady to a hospital. A Gujarati tempo truck driver. Please remember, a Gujarati tempo truck driver, otherwise you can say a tempo truck driver, stopped his vehicle when he saw Baleshwar standing by the road holding the injured girl in his arms. He helped Baleshwar in what way? Let us see in the next paragraph. Yes. Help me, Baleshwar pleaded, and the man helped Baleshwar lay Roma down in the back of his truck. Baleshwar was quickly telling the driver what had happened when a traffic policeman arrived. Take the girl to Airoli, suggested the cop. There's a hospital there. But Baleshwar disagreed. Airoli was at least 10 kilometers away. Help me, Baleshwar pleaded. When the tempo truck driver, the middle-aged man speaking Gujarati language, stepped down from his truck, Baleshwar requested him. Baleshwar requested him. Baleshwar pleaded. Plead means request. Please remember. Plead. Plead means what? Request. Plead. Do you know its CS form? Pleads. And its ing form is, do you know? Pleading. And past form is pleaded. And past participle form remains unchanged. Pleaded. Plead, pleads, pleading, pleaded, pleaded. Plead means request. ಬೇಡಿಕೋ. See, help me. Help means ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡು. ನನಗೆ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡಿ. Whose words are these? These are Baleshwar's words. Help me. Baleshwar pleaded. And what did the tempo truck driver do? And the man helped Baleshwar. Man refers to the tempo truck driver. He helped Baleshwar for what? Lay Roma down in the back of his truck. Please remember, the tempo truck driver, middle-aged man speaking Gujarati language, helped Baleshwar. Help means ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡು. Help can be used as a noun and as a verb. Please remember. I need your help. I need your help. Here, the word help is used as a noun. And I help the people in need. I help the people in need. ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆಯಲ್ಲಿದ್ದ ಜನರಿಗೆ ನಾನು ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೇನೆ. Here it is used as a verb. And need here is used as a verb, help is used as a noun. Whereas in the second sentence, need is used as a noun, help is used as a verb. It's very interesting, na? Okay. Baleshwar, when he requested the tempo truck driver, the driver came forward to help him lay Roma down in the back of his truck. Lay down means malagisu. Please remember. Lay down means malagisu. Lay down means malagisu. Lay down, lays down, laying down, let down, let down. Okay, please remember it. He helped Baleshwar lay Roma down. Here, Roma is noun. Lay Roma down where? In the back of his truck. In the back of his truck. ತನ್ನ ಟ್ರಕ್ಕಿನ ಹಿಂಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ. ಇನ್ ದ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಹಿಂಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ. ಇನ್ ದ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಹಿಂಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ. ಮುಂಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಾದಾಗ ಹೇಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ? ಇನ್ ದ ಫ್ರಂಟ್. ಇನ್ ದ ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಹೀಸ್ ಟ್ರಕ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಟ್ರಕ್ಕಿನ ಮುಂಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ, ಒಳಗಡೆ. ಇನ್ ದ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಟ್ರಕ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಟ್ರಕ್ಕಿನ ಹಿಂಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ. ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಇನ್ ದ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಟ್ರಕ್ he led Roma down with the help of Baleshwar. Or Baleshwar took the help of the tempo truck driver to lay Roma down in the back of his truck. Okay? So, what did you understand here? Please remember, the tempo truck driver stopped his vehicle when he saw Baleshwar standing by the road holding the injured girl in his arms. He helped Baleshwar lay the girl down in the back of his truck. To lay Roma down in the back of his truck. Okay, this much you came to know. Now, what was Baleshwar doing? Again, Baleshwar's photo you can see here. Baleshwar was quickly telling the driver what had happened. So, in order to avoid the confusion in the minds of the tempo truck driver, Baleshwar was doing one thing. Baleshwar was quickly telling the driver. ಆತ ಟಕ 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 ಡ್ರೈವರ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ. Tell means ಹೇಳು. Please remember. T-E-L-L, tell. Its yes form, you know it, tells. ING form, do you know? Telling. Past form, told. Past participle form remains unchanged. Told. Okay, please remember it. Baleshwar was quickly telling. Past continuous. Was plus ING form is there. Baleshwar was quickly. Begane. He was telling the driver. Which driver? Tempo truck driver ಗೆ ಬೇಗ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ. What was he telling? What had happened? What had happened? How that accident happened to Roma Talreja, the girl, how he happened to see her when she was lying next to the tracks, how he came forward and how he lifted her and how he brought the lady to the road. See, he was reporting the incident, what he knew, how much he knew to the driver in order to avoid the confusion from his mind. Okay, happen. Here, happen means sambhaviso. Happen. Happen. Happens, happening, happened, happened. What had happened? It's in past perfect tense. Please remember. ಘಟನೆ ಏನಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದನ್ನು ಆತ ಸಂಕ್ಷಿಪ್ತವಾಗಿ ಡ್ರೈವರ್ಗೆ ಬೇಗನೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ. ಹೂ? ಬಾಲೇಶ್ವರ್ ಮಿಶ್ರಾ. ದೆನ್ meanwhile what happened? When at the same time ಆಗ a traffic policeman arrived. Meanwhile Mumbai traffic policeman arrived to the spot. When a traffic policeman arrive means come. Please remember, arrive. A-R-R-I-V-E. Arrive means come. Agamisu. Ba. A-R-R-I-V-E-S. Arriving. A-R-R-I-V-E-D. arrived. Do you know its ing form? Yes, ing form of this verb is arriving, and past form, I hope you know, arrived, and past participle form, again it remains same. A-R-R-I-V-E-D, arrived, arrive, arrives, arriving, arrived, arrived. Okay? Ha. Next point is when a traffic policeman arrived. ಆಗ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರಾಫಿಕ್ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ಮನ್ ಆಗಮಿಸಿದರು. What did he do? What did the traffic policeman do when he came to the spot? This question comes to our mind. He suggested one thing. What did he suggest? Take the girl to Airoli. He said, take the girl to Airoli. ಹುಡುಗಿನ ಐರೋಲಿ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ರಿ. Suggested the cop. Suggest means, you know it, ಸಲಹೆ ನೀಡು. Suggest. 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 Suggest means ಸಲಹೆ ನೀಡು. And its S form, do you know? Suggests. And ing form is suggesting. And past form, do you know what will happen? What will it become? Suggested. 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 And past participle form is, come on, suggested. Do you know its noun form? Suggest is a verb. Its noun form, can you guess? Come on. SUGGESTION. 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 In English, there are two words. One is suggestion and second one is question. Dear students, STION. STION. Here, don't pronounce these words as suggestion. Now, suggestion. And never pronounce this word as question. Now, question. ಶ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಚ, ಸರ್ಕ್ ಛದ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. Question. Question. Suggestion. In this way, you have to pronounce these two words in English. I hope it's clear. Let's move to the next point. Mumbai traffic policeman, when he arrived, he suggested the tempo truck driver and Bhaleshwar Mishra. Take the girl to Airoli, suggested the cop. Here, the word cop is used. What's meant by cop? Do you know? COP, cop means police. Cop means police. Okay? What kind of police here? Traffic police. Got it? The traffic police suggested Bhaleshwar Mishra to take the girl to Airoli. Why? He knew that there's a hospital there. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆ ಅದ, ನೀವು ಐರೋಲಿ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿ ಹುಡುಗಿನ. He suggested to take the girl to Airoli. Airoli is a name of place which was nearer to the spot where Bhaleshwar Mishra and the tempo truck driver was standing, according to the knowledge of the traffic policeman. But Bhaleshwar disagreed. Agree opposite word, do you know? Agree opposite word is disagree. Agree means sammatisu, ಒಪ್ಪಿಕೊಳ್ಳು. Its opposite word is disagree. Okay? ಅಸಮ್ಮತಿಸು. Bhaleshwar Mishra disagreed to the suggestion given by the traffic policeman. Why? There was a reason. Airoli was at least 10 kilometers away. Airoli was at least 10 kilometers away from the spot where they were standing. Why? Why did Bhaleshwar Mishra disagree the suggestion given by traffic policeman? There was a reason. Baleshwar felt that the girl needed medical help immediately. Airoli was at least 10 kilometers away and he knew of a small hospital close by. Baleshwar Mishra knew one more he might have known. That's why he disagreed. Understand? He might have known one more hospital which is nearer than the hospital suggested by the traffic police. Therefore, he did not agree with the cop. I hope this point is clear. Traveling 10 kilometers would have taken more time. And the lady who was in his arm was in critical condition. She was needed. She was needed. She was badly in need of first aid treatment, medical treatment immediately. Therefore, he was thinking some smart actions, immediate actions. He didn't want to wait more. Already it was delayed. And again, he didn't want to wait. He didn't want to spend more time. I hope this point is clear. Let's move to the next paragraph. There's a closer place I know of. As I said just now, said Baleshwar. Baleshwar said, there's a closer place I know of. Closer means nearer. Please remember. Closer means nearer. Okay? There's a nearer place I know of, said Baleshwar. ಬಾಲೇಶ್ವರ್ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ, ನನಗೆ ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತಲೂ ಸಮೀಪದಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲೇಸ ಗೊತ್ತದ. He took the right decision at the right time in order to save the life of a young girl who was in his arms. He wanted to save her life now. Within 10 minutes, he says, 10 minutes later, they arrived at a small hospital where nurses helped take the young woman in. But as the facility lacked personnel and equipment, the on-duty physician wasn't able to do more than give basic first aid. He advised that she be moved to a nearby hospital. See, Baleshwar Mishra, he said, I know a nearer place than that of Airoli. Airoli was 10 kilometers away from the spot. It would have taken more time to reach there. Therefore, he told that I know the nearer place where the hospital is. 10 minutes later, 10 ನಿಮಿಷಗಳ ನಂತರ, they arrived. Arrive means they came at a small hospital like this. They came to a small hospital where nurses helped take the young woman in. You can see here, nurse. In a small hospital, what happened? Nurses helped take the young woman. Young woman refers to Roma Thalreja. They helped take the young woman in. ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆಗೆ ಬಂದರು. ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನರ್ಸಿಸ್ ಇದ್ದರು. ನರ್ಸಿಸು ಈ ಟ್ರಕ್ ಬಂದ ಕೂಡಲೇ ಆ ಟ್ರಕ್ನಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪೇಷಿಯಂಟ್ ರೋಮಾ ತಲ್ರೇಜಾಳನ್ನು ಒಳಗೆ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆ ಒಳಗೆ ಒಯ್ಯಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದರು. ಸೊ ನರ್ಸಿಸ್ took Roma Thalreja into the hospital. Okay? Please try to understand the concept here. But what happened? But as the facility lacked personnel and equipment, unfortunately, the hospital was small. A doctor was there. But as the facility lacked personnel, ಸೌಲಭ್ಯದ ಕೊರತೆ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಸಿಬ್ಬಂದಿ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ equipment lacking was there. Understand? ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕಾದಂಥ ಸಲಕರಣೆಗಳಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಬೇಕಾದಷ್ಟು ಸಿಬ್ಬಂದಿ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. Therefore, what happened? On duty physician. Physician means doctor. On duty physician means ಕರ್ತವ್ಯದ ಮೇಲಿದ್ದಂಥ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್. He wasn't able to do more than give the basic first aid. He wasn't able to do more than give her basic first aid. See, that is the most important thing. When a person meets with an accident, instead of that patient taking to a bigger hospital, we have to take the patient or victim to a nearby hospital in order to give him the basic first aid. That is called golden hour. If the first aid treatment is given to a patient in the golden hour, we can survive, we can save the life of people. We can save the life of many people. If the patient or if the victim is taken to hospital in order to give the first aid within 1 hour, we have to think of taking the victims to nearby hospital instead of taking them to bigger hospitals which are in distance. In this way, if you think, what Baleshwar had thought of was correct. Okay, please try to understand. See, LACK, lack. What's meant by lack? ಕೊರತೆ ಇರು. Lack, lacks, lacking, lacked, lacked. Okay, personnel. 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 Personnel means sibbandi. Don't pronounce this word as personnel. Now, personnel means sibbandi. Equipment, do you know the meaning? EQUIPMENT. Equipment. Equipment means salkarane. Understand? What were not there? Enough personnel was not there. Enough equipment was not there. Therefore, on-duty physician means a doctor was able to give only the basic first aid. First aid kit is there. Understand? First aid treatment is very, very important to a person. Should be given in golden hour of the accident. Understand? He advised that she be moved to a nearby hospital. After giving first aid treatment to Roma Thalreja in a small hospital, the doctor, as there was no enough staff, enough equipment in his hospital, he was able to give only the first aid treatment to that lady. After giving first aid treatment to that lady, he advised Baleshwar Mishra and the tempo truck driver to take the lady to a nearby hospital. She be moved to a nearby hospital. Nearby means ಹತ್ತಿರದ ಒಂದು ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆಗೆ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ರಿ, ದೊಡ್ಡ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆಗೆ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ರಿ ಅಂಥೇಳಿ ಸಲಹೆ ಮಾಡಿದರು. ಅಡ್ವೈಸ್, ಡು ಯು ನೋ ದ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಡ್ವೈಸ್? ಅಡ್ವೈಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಸಲಹೆ ನೀಡು. Advise. And advise is a verb. Please remember, ADVICE. Advice is a noun. Okay, salahe. Advise. Do you know its yes form? Advise is advising. Past form ADVISED. 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 Okay. He advised Baleshwar Mishra and the tempo truck driver to take the girl to a nearby hospital. Then Baleshwar Mishra and the tempo truck driver, what did they do? What might they have done? See in the next paragraph. Baleshwar and the driver had no choice. Baleshwar and the driver had no choice but to move her back into the truck. When the vehicle lurched forward, Roma stirred and her eyes fluttered open. What's your name? Asked Baleshwar, who was with her in the back of the truck. Roma, she managed to grind out. Whom can I call? He asked quickly, fearing that she would black out once more. My brother Dinesh, she said, slowly giving him Dinesh's cell phone number. Baleshwar memorized it and watched as Roma's eyes soon lost focus and rolled back into the darkness. Dear students, please try to notice the things given in paragraph number 13. Baleshwar and the driver had no choice. When the doctor in the small hospital suggested them to take her to a nearby hospital, she was unconscious. Baleshwar and the driver had no choice but to move her back into the truck. ಅವರಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಆಯ್ಕೆನೇ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದರು? ದೇ ಮೂವ್ಡ್ ಹರ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ದ ಟ್ರಕ್. ಸೀದಾ ಮತ್ತೆ ಎತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಟ್ರಕ್ಕಿನೊಳಗೆ ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ರು. ದೇ ಮೂವ್ಡ್ ರೋಮಾ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ದ ಟ್ರಕ್. ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ತಿರುಗಿ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಟ್ರಕ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಆಕಿನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರು. ವೆನ್ ದ doctor suggested, when the doctor advised them to take her to a nearby hospital after giving the first aid treatment, without choice, they took her back into the truck. When the vehicle lurched forward, please remember, lurch means move unsteadily. Lurch, L-U-R-C-H. Lurch means move unsteadily. Move unsteadily. Understand? ಒಮ್ಮಿಂದೊಮ್ಮೆಲೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಚಲಿಸು. Understand? When it moved unsteadily, ಅದು ಒಮ್ಮಿಂದೊಮ್ಮೆಲೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಚಲಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದಂತೆ, ಅದು ಒಮ್ಮಿಂದೊಮ್ಮೆಲೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಧಾವಿಸಿದಂತೆ. ಮುಂದೆ ಧಾವಿಸಿದಾಗ, ಟೆಂಪೋ ಟ್ರಕ್ ಒಮ್ಮಿಂದೊಮ್ಮೆಲೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಚಲಿಸಿದಾಗ ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ಡ್? ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ಡ್. Roma stirred and her eyes fluttered open. Roma stirred means Roma alladidalu. Stir, do you know its meaning? S-T-I-R, stir. Alladu, stirs. ing form, stirring. Past form, do you know? Stirred. Past participle form, stirred. Okay? Stir means alladu. One more meaning, alladisu. Here, alladidalu. When the tempo truck moved forward unsteadily, she stirred. Her body shook. ಒಮ್ಮಿಂದೊಮ್ಮೆಲೆ ಅವಳ ಬಾಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲಾಡಿತು. And her eyes fluttered open. Her eyes, ಅವಳ ಕಣ್ಣುಗಳು. Here, you see please. Her eyes fluttered open. ಅವಳ ಕಣ್ಣುಗಳು ಕಂಪಿಸುತ್ತ ತೆರೆದವು. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, see here. Please remember, this is fluttering open. Fluttering open ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಪಿಳುಕಿಸುತ್ತ ತೆಗೆ. ಕಣ್ಣು ಪಿಳುಕಿಸುತ್ತಾ ತೆರೆಯು. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್? ಹರ್ ಐಸ್ ಫ್ಲಟರ್ಡ್ ಓಪನ್. ನಿಧಾನವಾಗಿ ಬಾಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲಾಡಿದ ಕೂಡಲೇ ನಿಧಾನವಾಗಿ ಕಣ್ಣುಗಳನ್ನು ತೆರೆದಳು. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ವೇ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಐ ಶೋಡ್ ಯು ಒನ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಜಿಪ್. ಓಕೆ? When she opened her eyes, can you guess why did her eyes flutter open? Why did her eyes flutter open? Can you guess? Roma stirred and her eyes fluttered open. What might have the reason behind it? What might have been the reason? You know that Baleshwar and the tempo truck driver shifted Roma to the truck in order to take her to a nearby hospital. This is the first reason. Secondly, as the truck moved unsteadily, Roma stirred and her eyes fluttered open. This is the point you have to keep in mind. When she opened her eyes, Baleshwar Mishra did one thing. What's your name? What's your name? He asked. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರೇನು? asked Baleshwar. Baleshwar ಕೇಳಿಬಿಟ್ಟ. Who was with her in the back of the truck? Where was the Baleshwar? Where was Baleshwar? Baleshwar was with her in the back of the truck. Baleshwar ಅವಳೊಂದಿಗೆ ಟ್ರಕ್ ಹಿಂಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿಯೇ ಕೂತಿದ್ದ. When she opened her eyes slowly, he didn't waste his time. He immediately asked her one question. What's your name? He wanted to know who she was. First hand information. First and foremost thing, he wanted to know that who she was. What's your name? ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರೇನು? He asked. Then she answered, Roma. She managed to grind out. She managed to grind out. Grind out means tell. Please remember. She managed to tell. ಅವಳು ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಗೋ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನಿಸಿದಳು. She was successful. She was able to tell her name slowly, with effort. Understand? Tell with effort. Grind out means here tell with effort. Please remember. She was able to tell her name with effort. Roma. Okay. The immediate next question posed by Baleshwar Mishra was very important. Whom can I call? Yes, he wanted to know whom he could call. To inform that he met with an accident. To inform her parents, her relatives about the accident. That's why he wanted to know the name of her relatives. He came to know her name first, and secondly, he wanted to know her relative's name. Whom can I call? He asked quickly. ತಕ್ಷಣ ಕೇಳಿದ. Fearing that she would black out once more. Fearing means ಹೆದರಿ. She would black out once more. She would black out once more means she would become unconscious once more. He knew that she would become, he doubted that, he guessed that she would become unconscious once more. Therefore, he immediately asked to whom he should call to inform about the accident. Was it right? Was it right? In this condition, Baleshwar would like to know about her name and the relative's name. Was he right in asking her name while she was in critical condition? If yes, why? Please remember, Baleshwar was absolutely right in asking Roma her name. He also got from her one more thing. First, he came to know who she was. Now he came to know that she was Roma. What else? Second question he posed, whom can I call? For that, so far he didn't get answer. She says, my brother Dinesh. My brother Dinesh. For second question, he got the answer now. My brother Dinesh. Roma's brother's name was Dinesh, she said, slowly giving him Dinesh's cell phone number. Wow. Now he got Roma's brother's cell phone number so he could inform her brother about the accident. Now Baleshwar memorized it. Baleshwar memorized it. What did he memorize? He memorized the cell phone number given by Roma Talreja. Yes, watched Roma's eyes soon lost focus. ಬಾಲೇಶ್ವರ್ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ, ಕಣ್ಣ ಮುಂದೆ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ. ಹಿ ವಾಚ್ಡ್ ಹರ್, ಅವಳನ್ನು ವೀಕ್ಷಿಸಿದ. ವಾಚ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವೀಕ್ಷಿಸು. ಇಟ್ ಗಿವ್ಸ್ ಟು ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ಸ್. as a verb ವೀಕ್ಷಿಸು, as a noun ಕೈ ಗಡಿಯಾರ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಐ ವಾಚ್ ಅ ಮೂವಿ, ನಾನೊಂದು ಮೂವಿ ನೋಡುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ವಾಚ್, ನನ್ನದೊಂದು ಕೈ ಗಡಿಯಾರವಿದೆ. ಇನ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, the word watch is used as a verb, whereas in the second sentence, the word watch is used as a noun. Such words are given for your exam. Please keep practicing. Okay? Come on. And watched as Roma's eyes soon. Soon means ಕೂಡಲೇ. Lost focus. Lost focus. It means, oh, ಏನು, ದೇ ಲೂಸ್ ಫೋಕಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಬೆಳಕು ಕಳೆದುಕೊಂಡವು, ಮತ್ತೆ ಕಣ್ಣಿಗೆ ಕತ್ಲು ಉಂಟಾಯಿತು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರೌಲ್ಡ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್, ಹಿಂದಕ್ಕೆ ತಿರುಗಿದವು. ಸಿ, ಐಸ್ ಆರ್ ರೋಲಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್. ಸಿ, Paleshwar and Roma Talreja were sitting in the back of the truck. This is all happening. He was collecting the information from her. He was able to know her name and her brother's name and her brother's cell phone number. 3 things he came to know. These are very, very important in such situations. Okay? Her eyes rolled back again into the darkness. As he had guessed that she would become unconscious, the same thing happened. But before she became unconscious, he came to know her name. Her name was Roma. And he had come to know her brother's name, that was Dinesh, and he had come to know her brother's phone number in order to inform him about the accident. Okay, please remember. I hope this paragraph is clear, and now let's move to the next paragraph. Okay, paragraph number 14. Dear students, this paragraph begins with Chacha, who was driving. Who was Chacha here? Driver. Here, Chacha was none other than the driver. Which driver? Tempo truck driver. Okay? He was speaking Gujarati. And see here. Can I borrow your mobile? Can I borrow your mobile? Borrow. Please remember. Borrow means to take. BORROW. Borrow. Borrow to take. Lend to give. Understand? Borrow means ಎರವಲು ತೆಗೆದುಕೋ. Lend means ಎರವಲು ಕೊಡು. Borrow is the opposite word of lend. Okay? Can I borrow your mobile? Baleshwar, you imagine, had no mobile. Baleshwar had no mobile, had no job, had no enough money. Understand? He was poor guy, but he had compassion. He had mercy. He was rich in compassion. That point we have to appreciate in the character of Baleshwar here. Can I borrow your mobile? Then Baleshwar asked, and tempo truck driver lent his mobile to Baleshwar to inform Roma's parents about the accident. and the driver passed him his phone. When Baleshwar asked the tempo truck driver to give mobile to him, the truck driver passed him his phone. Pass means ನೀಡು. ತನ್ನ ಮೊಬೈಲನ್ನು ಹಿಂದೆ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ, ಕೊಟ್ಟ. ದೆನ್ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಕೇಮ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ Baleshwar Mishra, and called now he called Roma's brother. You imagine, Baleshwar had good memory. Do you agree with this? Because I say yes. Baleshwar had a very good memory. Why? You know that Roma had given him her brother Dinesh Talreja's phone number before she lost consciousness again. Baleshwar quickly memorized it and was able to contact Dinesh and inform him about the accident. He immediately remembered all the 10 digits, and now he was able to call her brother Dinesh Talreja. Dinesh Talreja was wrapping up his day. Wrap up means close, muchu. Please remember, wrap up. Wrap up means ದಿನದ ವ್ಯವಹಾರ ಮುಗಿಸು. Wrap up, WRAP. Here W is silent. Wrap up means ದಿನದ ವ್ಯವಹಾರ ಮುಗಿಸು. Okay, wrap up, wraps up, wrapping up, wrapped up. Please remember, he was wrapping up his day. Wrapping up his day. ಡೇ ಅಂತದ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ರ್ಯಾಪ್ ಅಪ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಮುಗಿಸು. ರ್ಯಾಪ್ ಅಪ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಡೇ ಅಂದರೆ ದಿನದ ವ್ಯವಹಾರವನ್ನು ಮುಗಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ. ವೇರ್ ಅಟ್ ಹೀಸ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಜಾಬ್. Please remember, at his marketing job. Can you guess? At his marketing job. This word is wrongly inserted here. At his marketing job. Am I right? He was wrapping up his day at his marketing job. Who was wrapping up his marketing job? Dinesh Talreja. Okay. At a retail outlet in Ulhasnagar. Where was he running his retail outlet? This is called retail outlet. Understand? He was wrapping up at his marketing job at a retail outlet. Retail outlet means chillare angadi. Please remember. He was closing his shop at Ulhasnagar. What kind of shop he was running? Retail outlet. Retail opposite word, do you know? Wholesale. Retail opposite word is wholesale. This outlet means ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂಗಡಿ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Okay, where was he running his shop? In Ulhasnagar. Ulhasnagar is the name of the place in Mumbai. When his phone rang from a number he couldn't recognize. He didn't recognize. From unknown number, his phone rang. See, rang. Please remember, rang is the past form of ring. Ring means barisu. Okay, as a verb, barisu. Do you know its yes form? Rings. Ringing. Past form rang. Past participle form is rung. One more meaning of rung, do you know? Noun. Clear? Ring means ungura. Okay. I have a ring. I have a ring on my On my finger. On my finger. Please remember, I have a ring on my finger. Here, the word ring is used as a noun. Here, as a verb, the peon will ring the bell. You know it. The peon will ring the bell. Here, ring is used as a verb. Okay. ಪ್ಯೂನ್ ಸಿಪಾಯಿ ಗಂಟೆಯನ್ನು ಬಾರಿಸುವನು. We can say. Come on. What happened? Recognize means ಗುರುತಿಸು. Recognize means what? ಗುರುತಿಸು. Recognize. Recognizes. Recognizing. Recognized. Please remember, when he was about to close his shop, his phone rang from an unknown number. Whose phone rang from unknown number? Dinesh Talreja's phone rang from an unknown number. Then, what was the question from the other end? Dinesh bhai, a young voice asked. Who might have asked this question? Baleshwar Mishra. He had used whose phone? He had used tempo truck driver's phone to call Dinesh bhai, Roma Talreja's brother. Dinesh bhai, young voice asked. Then he gave the message very accurately, to the point. Your sister Roma has fallen off a train. Your sister Roma has fallen off a train. To the point. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸಹೋದರಿ ರೋಮಾ ಟ್ರೈನ್ನಿಂದ ಬಿದ್ದಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. We are taking her to Divine Hospital in Gansoli. We are taking her to Divine Hospital in Gansoli. ನಾವು ಅವಳನ್ನು ಗನ್ಸೋಲಿಯಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಡಿವೈನ್ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆಗೆ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ he was in Ulhasnagar. Dinesh Talreja was in Ulhasnagar. And Baleshwar Mishra passed the message to Dinesh Talreja that his sister Roma had fallen off the train and they were taking her to a divine hospital in Gansoli. To the point, he passed the message by using tempo truck driver's mobile. Okay. Then, I am on my way. I am on my way. ನಾನು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. said Dinesh. I am on my way. ಸರ್ ನಾ ಬರಾಕತ್ತೀನಿ. ನಾನು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. said Dinesh, rushing towards his motorcycle. When he came to know that his sis Roma Talreja, had fallen off the train and was being taken to Divine Hospital at Gansoli, he said, I am on my way. It means I am coming. Saying so, he rushed towards his motorcycle. Rush means dhavisu. He rushes, rushing, rushed. Okay? He rushed towards his motorcycle. Towards means what? Please remember, rush means dhavisu. And the word rush can be used as a noun. Understand? And it can be used as a verb. There was a lot of rush. There was a lot of rush. ತುಂಬ ರಶ್ ಇತ್ತು ರೀ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಹಿಯರ್ ರಶ್ ಈಸ್ ನೂಕಾಟ, ನುಗ್ಗಲು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೇ ರಶ್ ಟವಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಕಡೆಗೆ. ದೇ ರಶ್ ಟವಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ದಿ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್. ದೇ ರಶ್ ಟವಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ದ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್. ಅವರು ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆಯ ಕಡೆಗೆ ಧಾವಿಸುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್, ಹೂ ರಶಸ್ ಟವಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ದಿ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್? Dinesh Talreja said, I am on my way, and rushes towards his motorcycle. ನಾನು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ತನ್ನ ಮೋಟರ್ಸೈಕಲ್ ಕಡೆಗೆ ಧಾವಿಸಿದನು. ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ he took his motorcycle, came to Divine Hospital at Gansoli, and took care of his sister. But till here, Dinesh, till here, Dinesh didn't know anything. Nobody from Roma's family knew anything about this accident. But Baleshwar was struggling hard to save her life. He was requesting many people to help her. Fortunately, the tempo truck driver volunteered to help, and he helped. And now Baleshwar Mishra and the tempo truck driver were taking her to Divine Hospital at Gansoli. With this, I hope uh, you have come to know the part 3 in detail. With part 4, I would like to see you all. I would like to see you all in the next video. Okay, and thank you very much for watching this video. If this video has helped you in understanding this lesson, please like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel for all my videos. With this, I would like to thank you very much. See you.